Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this page be a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What are the contents? What is the lyrics? What is the beat? What is the rhythm of your heart? It's time to be original. Go back into, you came into this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. You have no one that has the same exact DNA, fingerprints, intellectual intuition, or intellectual motivation and inspiration. The things that you are here to create is something that's never been created before. Therefore, you're going to be different. Do not worry about trying to fit into the world's puzzle. Create your own puzzle so the world can marvel at what you've created and then mimic it, enjoy it, step into your energy. Be yourself. I silence the fear in me and discover the voice of my heart. The fruit of these words guides me, and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me to the path of light where I shine, baby, shine, and your happiness resides. Being like everyone else does not make you happy. Being original, being yourself, being a leader does. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.